Check out this sunny and spacious 4-bedroom plus den, 2-bath pool home built by Catalina Homes. The Pebble Beach floor plan is a truly remarkable home located in the heart of Palmetto-Pines Country Club. This home offers a country club feel without the HOA fees and restrictions. Entering the home, you are greeted by a spacious formal living and dining room that lead out onto the oversized screened lanai and large solar heated pool. This split floor plan offers a bright and airy family room, large kitchen, breakfast room and 3 guest bedrooms with a shared pool bath. The oversized master ensuite offers a large raised den or sitting room, cathedral ceilings, 2 walk-in closets and an oversized bathroom with dual sinks and large walk-in shower. Additional amenities include a tranquil backyard with several fruit trees, an expanded 2-car garage, and much more. In 2020 the pool deck was updated with a new paver deck and new solar heated pool system. In 2015 the house was re-plumbed, and a new stamped driveway was added. Lastly, this remarkable home is located in the beautiful neighborhood close to shops, restaurants, schools and just minutes to Fort Myers and the sandy white beaches of Southwest Florida.